Look, the AI gold rush is happening right now, and 99% of people are completely missing it. I'm making over $1,000 every single day using DeepSeek, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Now bear in mind, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Most people fail in business and it's for a reason. With that said, let me get straight to the point. Most people use AI to play around and chat with robots. I'm guilty of it. I spend my whole days talking to ChatGPT, but I'm using it to make serious money. And the best part? You don't need any special skills or experience to copy what I'm doing. You don't need to know how to code, you don't need a tech background, nothing like that. Just follow what I'm about to show you. Now, we're not going to resell the same low quality products as everyone else. This is about building a real business that provides real value to real people. First, let's talk about why AI is the ultimate money-making tool right now. AI lets you solve problems faster, better, and cheaper than ever before. And that's exactly what people pay for. Solutions to their problems. Think about it. Before AI, you needed to hire experts or spend years mastering a skill. Now, DeepSeek or ChatGPT can do a lot of that heavy lifting for you in seconds. Here's what you need to understand. Nobody actually cares about the AI itself. They care about what AI can do for them. They care about results. Your future clients don't want to hear about prompt engineering or neural networks. They want to know how you're going to solve their problem or make their life easier. And that is where the opportunity is, in the gap between what AI can do and what most people know how to do with it. There are two main ways I'm making money with AI right now. The first is teaching, coaching, and consulting. I use AI to help people to learn and improve at business. For example, I might use DeepSeek to create personalized learning plans or analyze someone's business and suggest improvements. The AI helps to do the analysis and I package it as a premium service. The second way is what I call done-for-you services. This is where I use AI to automate work that people gladly pay for. Think about content creation, research, analysis, design. Anything that used to take hours or days, now the AI can do in just minutes. Remember this though, AI doesn't replace people. It replaces people who don't use AI. And right now that's almost everybody. Most businesses and freelancers haven't figured this out yet, which is why there is such a massive opportunity for people like you and me who get in early. Now let's talk about finding a profitable market. This is where most people mess up. They pick some random niche they're interested in instead of finding what's already making money. They create a solution and they try to find a problem which is completely backwards. I use DeepSeek to identify profitable markets by identifying trending pain points. I look at forums like Reddit, YouTube comments, Twitter, anywhere people are complaining about problems they have. I ask DeepSeek to analyze their complaints and to identify patterns. So what are people struggling with? What frustrates them? What are they trying to accomplish but failing at? Then I analyze what they're already paying for. Are they buying courses? Are they hiring coaches? Are they paying for services? This is crucial because it shows you not just what people want, but what they're willing to spend money on. There's a big difference between someone saying, I wish I could grow my TikTok, and someone actually pulling out their credit card to solve that problem. Let me give you an example. If you see lots of people asking, how do I grow my TikTok? And you notice they're buying courses, hiring social media managers, that tells you there is a demand for an AI-powered content service focused on TikTok growth. You could use DeepSeek to generate video ideas, write scripts, create hooks, a nice trendy content, all things that people would pay for to grow their TikTok presence. Money always follows pain points. The bigger the problem, the more people will pay for a solution. It's that simple. And when you use AI tools like DeepSeek for market research, you can analyze thousands of conversations in minutes instead of spending weeks trying to figure out what people want. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Next, let's talk about packaging your offer. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Just use AI to make an existing offer better, faster, or more efficient. The key is to focus on the outcome, not the tool. Nobody cares you're using DeepSeek or ChatGPT. They care about what you can do for them with your service. If you're going the teaching or coaching route, use AI to help people to get results faster. For example, You could use DeepSeek to generate custom meal plans based on someone's specific dietary needs and preferences. Most nutritionists charge hundreds of dollars for this and spend hours crafting the plans. You can do it in minutes with AI and still charge premium rates because people pay for the outcome, not the time it takes you. Or maybe you offer business coaching. You could use DeepSeek to analyze someone's business strategy, identify weaknesses, and suggest improvements. Again, people would normally pay thousands for this kind of analysis from a consultant. You can provide it faster and still charge good money. If you're going the done-for-you service route, let AI do the heavy lifting. You can offer AI-generated YouTube shorts, blog posts, lead generation, or ad creatives. Basically, anything that businesses need but don't have the time or skills to create themselves. For example, a local business might pay $500 a month for someone to write their weekly blog posts or social media content. With DeepSeek, you can do this in a fraction of the time it would normally take. When it comes to pricing, you want to charge between $500 and $3,000 plus per client. Don't undercharge just because AI makes it easier for you. Remember, people are paying for results, not your time. The key is to position AI as your secret weapon, the tool that makes results 10 times faster and easier for your customers. They're not paying for the AI, they're paying for the results. You're not selling AI, you're selling outcomes. This is crucial to understand. If you say, I'll use AI to help you, people won't pay much because they don't care. If you say, I will help you to 10x your TikTok growth in 30 days, people will happily pay premium prices. But here's the thing, AI alone won't make you money. You need to sell a service or a coaching that people actually buy. That's why getting clients is so important. You could have the best AI system in the world or the best service, but without customers, you're still making $0. There are two ways to get clients fast. The first is inbound marketing, also known as content marketing. Post short-form videos showing how AI solves specific problems. Share case studies and testimonials of how AI helped someone to get results. The key here is to be specific. Don't just say, AI can help with content creation. Show exactly how it helped a specific person create content that grew their business by specific amounts. The second method is outbound marketing or direct message outreach. Use DeepSeek to craft personalized outreach messages. The AI can analyze someone's profile or business and identify specific pain points you can help with. For example, AI could write you something like, Hey John, I noticed you're posting regularly on TikTok, but you're not getting much engagement. I run an AI-powered content service that helps creators like you blow up 10 times faster by analyzing trendy content patterns and optimizing your hooks. Would you like me to show you how? Send enough messages and people will respond. The key with outreach is personalization. Generic messages get ignored. Messages that speak directly to someone's specific situation get responses. And DeepSeek is amazing at helping you craft these personalized messages at scale. Otherwise, it would take you hours manually. The easiest way to get clients is to show them how AI can solve their problem better than they ever imagined. Don't just tell them what AI can do. Show them the results it can deliver for them strategically. Give them a taste of what's possible and they will want more. Now, let's talk about delivering results without doing all the work yourself. This is where the real magic happens. You don't need to do everything yourself. Use AI plus contractors to scale without burning out. Here are some examples of workflows I use. First, I might use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to generate content. Then, have a freelancer from Upwork or Fiverr edit it for $5 to $10. And finally, deliver it to the client for $500. So as you can see, the AI does 80% of the work, the freelancer polishes it, and you pocket the difference. Or I might use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to write marketing copy, tweak it myself to add some personality, and then sell it to a client for several $100s. The key is that the AI is doing most of the heavy lifting, which means you can take on more clients without working more hours. Another approach is using DeepSeek to generate something like weight loss plans or workout routines based on different goals and body types. You package these into a course and sell that course at scale. You create it once with the help of AI, and then you can sell it thousands of times without any additional work. The goal is for you to focus on strategy and getting clients, while AI and contractors do everything else. It allows you to scale faster. Most people use AI to play around, but the real money comes from using AI to deliver results at scale. This is the difference between making a few $100s here and there versus making $1,000 every day. So how do we scale your business to $1,000 per day? It's pretty simple. Repeat what works and scale it up. Once you've found a profitable service and a way to deliver it efficiently using AI, it's all about scaling. Now, there are three main ways to scale. First, increasing your prices. Charge premium rates for results, not for your time. Most people undercharge dramatically, especially when they're just starting out. If your clients are saying yes too easily to your prices, you're charging too little. Second, automate your fulfillment. Let DeepSeek and contractors handle delivery so you can focus on growth. Build systems and templates that make delivery almost automatic. The less time you spend fulfilling orders, the more time you have to get new clients and scale your business. Third, get more clients through paid ads, hiring appointment setters or building a bigger audience. Once you know your service works and clients are actually getting results, it's time to pour gas on the fire. Invest in marketing to bring in more leads automatically. Let me break this down with some examples. If you charge $500 per client per month, you only need 2 new clients each day to hit $1,000. Actually, you'd be making way more than that because these are recurring payments. But let's keep it simple. If you sold a $97 AI-powered course, you need to sell about 11 copies per day to make $1,000. And if you build a library of different courses or digital products, the numbers get even better because of cross-selling opportunities. Most people overcomplicate business. Just focus on getting clients and delivering results. That's it. Find a problem people will pay to solve, use DeepSeek or ChatGPT to solve it efficiently, and scale by automating delivery and getting more customers. Now, unfortunately, there are some things we're not allowed to share on YouTube, which is why to help you, I've recorded a free training to show you how I went from zero to over $1,200 a day with 95% profit margins. The link is in the description and I highly suggest you check it out when you're done with this video. You can also book a free call with me or my team, and together we'll come up with a game plan for you to get to 5 to 10K per month as quickly as possible. But be quick, because we literally get hundreds of applications per month, so we don't have enough spots for everyone. Let me be completely honest with you. AI is the biggest money-making opportunity of our lifetime, but only if you take action. Most people will watch this video or other videos and think, oh, that's interesting, and then they go back to their regular lives. Don't be like most people. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pick one of the methods I shared, the coaching route or the done-for-you services route. Use DeepSeek to identify a profitable market with clear pain points. Then, create an offer that solves those pain points using AI. And finally, start reaching out to potential customers today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because spoiler alert, it doesn't exist. The AI gold rush is happening right now, and early adopters are making an absolute killing. It's first movers advantage. A year from now, competition will be much fiercer, and it will be harder to stand out. The people making the most money with AI right now aren't necessarily the smartest or most talented. They're the ones who took action first. I've been using AI to make money for the past year, and it's completely changed my life. I went from struggling to pay rent to making $1,000 every single day. And I don't have any special skills or any advantages that you don't have. I grew up in a low middle class family. My father was a nurse, my mother a nursing assistant. So definitely not the rich kid type. I just got started, I just took action, while everyone else was wondering, oh, does this work? I just did, executed. The best part about using AI to make money is that you can start with zero experience. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. You just need to put it to work on problems people will pay to solve. You don't need a degree in computer science or years of experience. You just need to understand people's problems and how DeepSeek can help you solve them. Think about it this way. People have been making money online or offline for decades by solving problems. All AI does is make it easier, faster, and more scalable than ever before. Because instead of spending 10 hours writing content for a client, you can have DeepSeek generate the first draft in 10 minutes. Instead of spending days analyzing someone's business, DeepSeek can help you do it in minutes. This means you can serve more clients and deliver better results without working more. So what are you waiting for? The opportunity is right in front of you. You can use AI to make more money, or you can watch others use AI to make more money. The choice is yours. But what I can tell you from experience, being on the right side of this technological shift is a lot more profitable than being left behind. I'm living proof that this works. I make over $1,000 per day using nothing but DeepSeek and a simple system that pretty much anyone can copy, as long as they're willing to put in the work. Now it's your turn. Do not let this opportunity pass by you while you sit on the sidelines. The AI revolution is happening whether you participate or not, so might as well make some money from it.